Honey, did you put my clothes in washing machine? Oh my goodness. You know I don't like washing my clothes in machine. Do you want to know why? Stay tuned. Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Mother's Creativities. You are welcome, and for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for watching my video. May God Almighty bless you. And we are here with another vlog. Are you waiting for me to be in the kitchen? No. Is it morning routine? No. What else? What are you expecting, guys? Today, I'm going to talk about three tips why I don't like washing my outing clothes and my kids' clothes with washing machine. And in the other hand, why I love washing my kids' clothes with my hands. No hater, we are all here to learn and we are entitled to all our opinion. If you want to know why I love washing my clothes with my hands, as in why I love washing my kids' clothes with my hands, stay tuned to this video and hear my own part. And if you have your own reason, don't forget to leave it at the comment section below and tell me. No insults, no haters. Let's be free. We are here to free ourselves by expressing what we like and what we don't like in this platform on YouTube. So you are also free to say your own. The first tip why I don't like using washing machine, I'm going to be saying the advantage and disadvantage. So please, and we are not going to stay long. Don't think maybe the story is going to be long. No, I'm going to cut it short and be fast about it. The first part is I am not satisfied anytime I use machine to wash my clothes. As I earlier say, no haters. I no likes of ahead. Now waiting me I want. After all, remember when we were in Nigeria, we do wash our clothes with our hands. And actually, then, even when there is a like tap, as in borehole, I always like taking my clothes to the river, like all these small river. You guys know what I mean. So the first tip is I am not satisfied anytime I use washing machine to wash my clothes. In some aspect, like if there is some dots, especially in my kids' clothes, maybe if there is any stain, it's so hard for machine to remove that stain, unless you wash it so long and you are spoiling those clothes. And the other side is that if I use my hands, I see exactly that dots and I put soap and I wash it to my satisfaction and everything get clean. Yes. So I don't know what you think about this. Don't forget to leave your own opinion in the comment section. Number two is Anytime I use washing machine to wash my clothes, oh my god, do you know that cloth can be in my bed, maybe, or chair for good 1 week? It is so difficult for me to take them to their normal places, because it will not be easy for me to take them to their normal places. And the other side of it, the other side of it is when I wash my clothes or my kids' clothes with my hands, the moment I remove it from the rope or from the sun, I normally fold it easily and take it to their normal places, as in position them in their places. Can you see this? That is why I don't love washing my clothes with washing machine sometimes. Not that I don't wash my clothes with washing machine actually. There are some clothes I do use machine to wash among my clothes, like some clothes that I'm using in the house that I know that I can just keep them there as far I'm not wearing them out there. That is my house clothes. I can use washing machine and wash them and just put them there. So, and that is it. Not that, don't prove me wrong, I do use washing machine sometimes, but not with my outing cloth, neither my kids clothes. That is it. Number 3, I told you we are not going to stay long in this video. Number 3, why I don't like washing my clothes with machine. This is this is the real facts. This is the real facts. Among the 3, this is the actually problem. I don't really like washing my clothes with machine. Like when I use machine to wash my clothes, you know, when you use machine to wash your clothes, it will be so skills, like risk it by wearing them out like that. Unless what? Unless you iron it. It's so skills that you cannot wear them out like that. Like if you use your hands to wash your clothes, even if you did not iron it, you can just wear them, because the moment you wash your clothes with your hands, you as in it's like you spread it so beautiful. It will not be skewed like the way machine is going to skew it. So, and I don't really like ironing clothes. I don't know how to iron clothes. That is my problem. So that's why I said, if you want to know the reason, if you want to know why, make sure you finish watching this video, so that you should not judge wrong. Everybody have his own reason of doing one thing and the other. I don't know how to iron clothes at all, and even if I know, it's so hard for me to iron clothes. Sometimes when we want to iron clothes in this house, my hubby did all that alone. Even if he's not around, I will just look for clothes that will be good without ironing. When my hubby is not at home, I make sure I look for clothes that is good to wear without ironing, because I don't know how to iron clothes and it's so hard for me. I don't want to learn, because it's so hard for me to iron clothes. So guys, these 3 reasons are the reason why I love washing my clothes with my hands. And washing your clothes with your hands makes your clothes beautiful and lasts, as in that clothes, even if it's spoiled, it will still be beautiful. It will still be beautiful. We just have to say the truth too. Let's be realistic. So guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this video, and I hope you are not going to judge wrong. As I earlier say, you are not going to judge wrong, and don't judge wrong. How did you see my hairstyle? Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? Yes? No? Yes. I know it's beautiful on me this way. So, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like what you see. And if you have any reason, please leave your comment on the comment section and let me see your own reason. And if you love this video, please, after watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thank you for watching. Without you guys, who is Ladyzion? Please keep supporting me. I pray God supports you as well. Stay blessed, everyone. Bye bye.